Good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past question 39. Water waves have a wavelength of 3.6 centimeter and speed of 18 centimeter per second in deep water. If the waves enter shallow water with wavelength of 2.0 centimeter, calculate the speed of the wave in the shallow water. A 0.4 centimeter per second, B 2.5 centimeter per second, C 10 centimeter per second, and D 10.8 centimeter per second. So we're given that a water wave has a wavelength of 3.6 centimeter and speed of 18 centimeter per second in deep water. So in deep water, we have that the velocity, that's the speed of the wave, is equal to 18 centimeter per second. We have that the wavelength lambda is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Now we know that the frequency of a wave is always constant, irrespective of where this wave is going. So that is, the frequency of a water wave is always constant. So now for us to find the speed of the wave in shallow water, we have to find the frequency first, and we can only find the frequency using the parameters of the wavelength and the speed in the deep water. And we know that V is equal to F lambda. Now F, frequency, is equal to V all over lambda, that is the velocity or the speed of the water wave all over the wavelength. So we therefore have that F, frequency, is equal to 18 all over 3.6, and this is equal to 5 hertz, or you can call it per second. So we've gotten the frequency. Now in shallow water, since we know that the frequency is always the frequency of the wave remains the same, it is constant, we have that the frequency F in shallow water is equal to 5 hertz. Also we have that the wavelength now lambda in shallow water is 2.0 centimeter. Now we are asked to find the speed of the wave in shallow water, that is V is equal to F lambda, and this is equal to 5 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 10 centimeter per second. So 10 centimeter per second is the speed of the wave in the shallow water, and that is option C. Option C is the answer. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.